this session I'm going to discuss about the freehand command. Here you can see into the draw window. Here you can able to find this freehand revision cloud. So where we can use this freehand revision cloud. For example, if we have any kind of a drawing or object, at that time we need to specify some kind of a part or a object, or we want to highlight that, or we want that this part specifically, only this part we need to review at the end, okay, or we need to focus on that. So that's why we can highlight it by using this freehand revision cloud. So into the draw window you can able to find this freehand revision cloud. Into the freehand revision cloud you can able to see that is the rectangle part. By using the rectangle shape object you can able to highlight that object, or you can able to see the polygon revision cloud or a freehand revision cloud. So as you can see we have one object where we can highlight this part, okay. So first I'm using this rectangle part. So go to the draw window. First I simply zoom it, I simply zoom it specifically, this one, and then go to the freehand rectangle, freehand revision cloud, go to the rectangular, and I first specify the first corner point and then specify the second corner point. So as you can see our revision cloud is here. So what will happen when I send this drawing to the another person, at that time they revise or they review this object, or they review this notch, okay. So it will help us in that way. I will show you this another one. Go to the draw, simply select the rectangular, then you can simply specify the first corner point and second corner point. As you can see this is the revision freehand cloud. As I select the polygon, so I can able to specify the number of node point, okay, for the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one, okay, and I simply press the enter, okay. Here is the another one. Last is the freehand, that means first I specify the first point, then third point, then third point, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and the ninth, okay. Arbitrary I can able to select the point. So this is the freehand curve. It is actually revise cloud where you can highlight the object, okay. So thank you.